Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you the comparison for Firefox and Chrome. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So here you can see on my screen I have both Firefox and Google open, and as you can see they have similar um, format. Like on you have the address bar in the top part, and here you have the logo of Firefox, and you also have the logo here on Google as well, and they have a search box here below it, and they also have the applications that you mostly go to. And the only difference here is that here with Google you can see your account, and you will be able to access other Google's platforms or softwares that you can use here as well for your daily to day work basis. So what you can do here is that we will check on the advantage. So here they actually have no much difference. So they simply only a little bit has a modifications to each of the application here. So here, as you can see, menu is also shown here on the three dots menu on the upper right corner, and you'll be able to see the settings as well. Similar to Google, when you click on the three dots menu, it shows you a lot of options for you to work on. So here, let's go to settings. Here you'll be able to browse the different settings here on Firefox, and here, as you can see on Google, Google offers more settings that you can modify here, and there are also extensions that are very much convenient as well, depending on what type of work you're into. Well, here on Firefox, you can see that it's a very simple layout where it's just your privacy, your search, your home, and you can also change the appearance or the theme here. While here in Google, you will be able to look for a lot of themes that you can add into your browser. Like what I have here, I already added a theme. And also here on Firefox, what you can modify is the colors. Like you can modify what text or what the color the text are or the fonts. And as you can see here as well on the right side on Chrome, you will be able to see a lot of options here when it comes to extensions, depending on what you are looking for. And here, as you can see on the themes, they have a lot of options depending on what art style you are into, and here on settings as well. So we'll compare the privacy and settings as well here on Firefox and on Google. So here on Firefox, you can see that they have a standard, a strict, or a custom privacy settings here as well, where you that's basically a very what I can say here is it's an advantage here when it comes to Firefox, since it is more secure compared to Google, since here is Google, you can actually connect or link this to your other devices as well. So here you can see that you will be able to modify a lot of informations, like how you will be able to manage your cookies and data, your address bar, or how the website will appear into your computer, or how you would like it to feel like. So here on the Google as well, a similar format here with Firefox, where you'll also be able to modify a lot of things here as well. It's just they are basically very similar. It's just that here using or with security or privacy, Firefox is ahead compared to Google. But both applications are still secured. It's just that it's more secure here when you are using Firefox. Here you can browse different extensions in Google. There are also extensions here in Firefox, but they are actually limited. Only a few extensions are being offered, and you can also see here that you can modify the themes were also limited. So when it comes to customizations like the themes and the extensions, the Google is much more better when it comes to those terms. And that's basically how, or that's a basic comparison here on Firefox or Google. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.